Ogoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast guys. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ari muthenya umuthi. Na Ruto ni agairwo kumaka. Rigiji arauga atia? Arauga atiriri. Ndagira akenya mathie marugane farafara. No ena strategy auga okite nayo iria eko make sure ni omeria Ruto. Strategy yo neriko, ladies and gentlemen. Rigathi wa Gachagua arauga atiriri. Ati niagoka ihinda itai kuraihu. Ere a Kenya kambuni cia Ruto ni iriko na products iria ciendagio ni kambuni icio iriko na kera a Kenya atiriri. Kana Rigathi wa Gachagua akauga atiriri niagwatha a Kenya kana niakwira a Kenya matikagure products cia kambuni icio cia Ruto na process ake kana aratake kandu aria autithania na wira. Rigiji auga ekwira a Kenya ma reject kambuni cia Ruto. Rigiji auga atiriri thaa ici ni hotete kungania kambuni 17 iria related na Ruto. Ati no arenda kungania na ati very soon ni eguka gutangathira a Kenya ame na mathe matikagure products kuma thiini wa kambuni icio. Rigiji augite atiriri oria Ruto atumite a Kenya kana oria thukirie a Kenya economy biashara cikahingwo, aenda go paralyze onake biashara ciake oria Ruto aparalyzete biashara cia a Kenya aria angi. Ladies and gentlemen, atiriri Ruto ithenda fatie ukorwo akimaka thaa ici. Rigiji oka era a Kenya atiriri kambuni fulani ni cia Ruto na products ici ni cia Ruto. Amakiu a Kenya ni arakaru ni utongoria wake. Ithe andu matiko reject indo cia kambuni icio. That's fact. Andu no meko reject kuringana na andu uria matarenda kinara. Rigiji oka era a Kenya eno ni kambuni ya eno kambuni yake era indo iria donation ici ni mukuona eno video. Kindly subscribe agikorwo ndura subscribe tamuigwira hii.
Ako kwa hospitality, anauza chuma, anauza tiles, anauza simiti, anauza macadamia, anauza avocado, matatu wameingilia, anauza mayai, anauza kuku. The man has driven all business people out of business. He has used his office as president to take over all the businesses in Kenya. So I'm in the process of compiling all the businesses he has acquired and he is running. In a few weeks, I'll be announcing all these businesses and factories and ask the people of Kenya to boycott all products and services that are being offered by companies owned by William Ruto and his proxies. Tutamuhangaisha kiuchumi. And we'll ask all Kenyans who are unhappy with the way he's running the country, with the way he is stealing everything from the country, with the way he has driven all business people out of business. We'll also drive him out of business. I'll announce all those companies. I am compiling. So far I have 17 companies. Na zingine zinaendelea kukuja. Nitasitangaza zote kwa Wakenya. Na tuuliza Wakenya to boycott products by those companies and services by those companies owned by William Ruto, his family,
guys,
proxies.
Rigiji. Rako atiriri. Oria Kenya marakaritio ni utongoria wa kinara. Rigiji no oke atangathe kambuni icio na one a Kenya makiboycott kugura indo kuma kana indo cia kambuni iyo tondu a Kenya ni arakaru. Eno strategy gwiciria ni strategy dito ona gukira mirurungano ni go paralyze kinara na kambuni ciake. Nocio Rigiji auga uguo. Ndari kana higo mundu ugwitwo Raila Odinga okite akira andu ake matikahũthagĩre raini kadi amerite maboycott ke Safaricom kana I think ilikuwa Safaricom ayuka akimena maboycott agairia ria ke ni Brookside kana niki kona igo Raila erite at least shaido iria mafati ku boycott. Na by the way andu ake ni maboycottire. Just imagine now Akenya ole marakaretio ni ni utongoria wa Kinara alafu andu mero product fulani kindu fulani ni ya kampuni ya Kinara ona kwa jamati ku boycott they will vibaya sana they will. Atiga the supermarket maybe let's assume supermarket wagira ukero mugate uyu no wa kampuni ya Kinara uyu ti wake no ire tondu kagore mugate wa kampuni yake ni mang'uri maria twina mo marakara yoka on a product hiyo dokomea strong as you see what happens agiko product ya kampuni hiyo Rigathi wa Gachagua rauga agiko product hiyo iradio kwena kampuni hiyo na product the same. Of course I don't make boycott. The only way adu matageta ku boycott ni ati kampuni hiyo ikoro kindu kiria era produce nokyo na gutie kampuni ingi era produce no agiko kwena kampuni ingi cia produce the same thing watu wata boycott watu boycott toroguo tu ageji erite andu aria othe mena ngari oroyo murero ati muthi inspection ngari cio stigathi inspection ati agikomra ha through e-citizen te ngari cio stigathi inspection tondu mbeca cio ciathie muhuko wa mundu ageji akauga atiriri ni aguka wetie mirurungano ya ngari ciothe tondu andu marero mathi inspection by force ni aguka wetia mirurungano kana ere andu ta wiki ngima maboycott kuthie na ngari farafara ni ro inspection ino erero. And of course we saw ni irakana niyo ati urahuro finance ni NTSA okwa beshi shoi shiragira mu kwa mundu hadu hashibi kwa NTSA kabuni ya jerono kana yao bank account ya jerono gao personal bank account nikyo likijero gaterere mwero ate mutore garisha inspection mutigatware werege ji okay augira muthenya umuthi. But anyway guys akitwete tuone tonia mundu megwikara but Kinara ni afati artist ndona Rigathi wa Gachagua ena taktiki nyingi cia cia kuinya jimu ino ena taktiki nyingi muno to mirurungano utikuo ni amenya taktiki irege age mahihinya na taktiki iyo ege ndona ena urito munene muno. Anyway kunigo i podcast moni manyi mariko inywe munana atia thank you gamatino mwathime guys this is what it is kwani iko nini thank you gamatino mwathime.